Yummy clam soup. Yum, yum, yum. My tummy, tum, tum. Here are the ingredients. 1 dozen of clams, ginger, onion, and we need 1 cup of pineapple juice, salt and white pepper, and bok choy. Clean the clams, soak in the salted water. Add oil. Add ginger. Add onion. You don't want any bugs. Add the clams. Add pineapple.
Simmer for 2 to 4 minutes until the clams are open. And then we're gonna add the bok choy, okay? And simmer for another 15 seconds. And we're done. Wow!
Add salt. A dash of light pepper. Add bok choy. Add simmer for another 15 seconds. And we're done. And we're done. Yummy clam soup. This is good.